65 million years ago, the Earth belonged to giants. They ruled the land, the sky, and the seas. But there was one thing these mighty creatures never had: the power of words. Until one dinosaur changed everything. Welcome to English Verse.
Okay, Kate, that was incredibly dramatic.
I know. But come on, we're talking about dinosaurs learning English.
You're right. Hi, everyone. I'm Duncan.
And I'm Kate. Welcome to English Verse, where learning English feels like an adventure.
Today's big question, what if dinosaurs could talk? Not just roar or growl, but speak actual English words.
We've created a complete story for you today.
And hidden inside all this fun, you're learning essential English phrases and storytelling skills.
By the end of this episode, you'll be ready to tell your own story in English.
So grab your headphones, get comfortable, and let's begin.
All right, Duncan, serious question. If you could talk to any dinosaur, which one would you choose?
Probably a triceratops. They seem friendly, like the gentle giants of the dinosaur world.
Good choice. I'd pick a pteranodon, those flying dinosaurs. Imagine having conversations while flying.
That would be amazing. And speaking of conversations, before we tell our story, we need to teach you the 4 magic words of English storytelling.
These 4 words appear in almost every English story. Master these, and you can tell stories anywhere. At parties, at work, with friends.
Magic word number 1. Once upon a time.
This phrase opens the door to every story. It means a long time ago, but it feels magical.
Let's practice it together. Listen to Kate, then repeat during the pause.
Once upon a time.
Beautiful. Magic word number 2. Suddenly.
This word is the spark, the surprise. The moment everything changes.
Suddenly.
Magic word number 3. Then.
This is your bridge word. It connects one part of the story to the next part.
Then.
Magic word number 4. Finally.
This brings us to the ending, the resolution, the finish line. Finally.
Perfect. Now, here's a fun challenge while you listen. Count how many times you hear these 4 magic words in our story.
Write them down if you want. We'll check your answer at the end.
Are you ready for the story?
This is the tale of Tino, a dinosaur who dreamed of something impossible. Once upon a time, in a world before humans existed,
There lived a young dinosaur named Tino.
he was a Parasaurolophus, a plant-eating dinosaur with a long, curved crest on his head.
Tino was different from the other dinosaurs in his herd.
While they spent their days eating plants and running from predators, Tino spent his time wondering about bigger questions. Is this all there is? Just eating and running? What if there was a way to share our thoughts with each other?
None of the other dinosaurs understood what Tino meant.
Then one day, Tino discovered something strange by the river.
A smooth stone covered with glowing symbols, strange markings that seemed to pulse with energy.
What are these marks? They're beautiful.
The moment Tino touched the stone with his claw,
Suddenly,
bright light surrounded him.
the ground disappeared.
Time itself seemed to break apart, and Tino fell through space and time.
When the light finally faded,
Everything was different.
then Tino slowly opened his eyes.
Where am I? This isn't my forest?
The trees looked different. The air smelled strange. Even the sounds were wrong.
And in the distance, he heard something completely new.
Come on, let's play on the swings.
Wait for me! Don't run so fast!
What is that sound? Are those creatures talking to each other?
Tino crept closer, hiding his massive body behind the trees.
Through the branches, he saw them. Small, 2-legged creatures wearing colorful coverings.
Humans. And they were speaking.
Tino's heart pounded with excitement.
This is what I've always wanted. Communication. Real communication. I have to learn their language. I have to.
And so Tino began the hardest challenge of his life.
Every single morning, before the humans arrived, Tino practiced.
Sun. Sun.
He pointed at everything around him, trying to name each thing.
T. Tree. Tree.
He hid in the bushes and listened carefully to every conversation.
Beautiful day today, isn't it?
Absolutely gorgeous weather.
Beautiful. Day. Gorgeous. Weather.
Days turned into weeks.
Weeks turned into months.
Tino's vocabulary grew slowly, but steadily.
Hello. Goodbye. Thank you. Please. Yes. No.
He learned by listening, by trying, by making mistakes, and trying again.
And then, one autumn morning,
Everything changed forever.
a little girl wandered away from her family.
She was picking flowers and chasing butterflies, not paying attention to where she was going.
She walked deeper and deeper into the forest.
Right past the tree where Tino was hiding.
Mommy! Daddy! Where are you?
She looked around. Nothing looked familiar.
Mommy! I can't find you.
She started to cry.
Tino watched from behind the tree. His heart broke, hearing her fear.
She's scared. She's lost. Just like I was when I first arrived here. I have to help her.
He took a deep breath.
And made the bravest choice of his life.
He stepped out from behind the tree. A dinosaur!
Time seemed to freeze.
The little girl stared at Tino.
Tino stared at the little girl.
And then Tino spoke his very first words in English. Don't be afraid.
The little girl stopped crying. Her eyes went wide.
My name is Tino. Nice to meet you.
You can talk?
Yes, I'm learning English.
The little girl smiled through her tears.
That's so cool. I'm Emma.
Emma, beautiful name. Come, I help you find family.
Tino guided Emma back through the forest.
When her parents saw her riding on a dinosaur's back, they couldn't believe their eyes.
And finally, the world learned the truth.
Dinosaurs could speak. They could learn. They could connect.
And that's the story of Tino, the dinosaur who learned to speak.
What did you think? Did you count the magic words?
Let's check. Once upon a time, we used it one time at the beginning.
Suddenly, one time when Tino touched the stone.
Then, we used it 2 times to move the story forward.
And finally, one time at the end to show the conclusion.
Did you get them all? If yes, congratulations! You're already thinking like a storyteller.
Now, let's talk about the 3 most important phrases from the story.
These are phrases you'll use in real life, not just in stories.
Phrase number 1, don't be afraid.
Let me spell it for you. D-O-N''T, that's don't. Then B-E, that's be. Then A-F-R-A-I-D, afraid.
Don't be afraid means you don't need to worry. Everything is okay.
You use this to comfort someone who is scared or nervous.
For example, your friend is nervous about a test. You say, don't be afraid, you studied hard.
Or, you're learning English and scared to speak. Tell yourself, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Let's practice saying it together. Listen to Kate first, then repeat in the pause.
Don't be afraid.
Perfect. Phrase number 2, nice to meet you.
This might be the most useful phrase for beginners. Spelling, Niceetomeet, Y-O-U.
This is what you say when you meet someone for the first time.
Example, you're at a party. Someone says, "Hi, I'm Maria." You say, "Hi, Maria, I'm Kate. Nice to meet you."
And Maria responds, "Nice to meet you too."
It's polite, friendly, and works in every situation, formal or casual.
Ready to practice?
Nice to meet you.
Excellent. Phrase number 3. I'm learning English.
Spelling. I''M. That's I'm. Then LEARNING,
This phrase is your secret superpower as a language learner.
When you tell someone, "I'm learning English," 3 magic things happen.
First, they speak more slowly.
Second, they use simpler words.
Third, they become helpful instead of judgmental.
Example, you're in a cafe and don't understand the menu. You say, "Excuse me, I'm learning English. Can you explain this?"
Or in a conversation, "Sorry, I'm learning English. Could you repeat that more slowly?"
This phrase turns every conversation into a learning opportunity.
Let's practice.
I'm learning English.
Before we finish, let's look at 5 important words from the story. Word 1 is ancient, spelling A-N-C-I-E-N-T. It means very, very old.
Example, ancient Egypt, ancient forests, ancient history.
Word 2, discover, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R, to find something for the first time.
Tino discovered a magical stone. Scientists discover new species.
Word 3, brave, B-R-A-V-E, having courage even when you're scared.
Tino was brave enough to speak to the little girl.
Word 4, practice, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E, to do something again and again to improve.
Tino practiced English every morning. I practice speaking with my friends.
Word 5, connection, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-I-O-N, a relationship or link between people.
Language creates connection. I feel a connection with my classmates.
These words appear constantly in English. Listen for them in movies, podcasts, and conversations.
All right, now it's your turn to be creative.
Your mission: create a short story about an animal that learns English.
You can choose any animal you like: a cat, a dolphin, an elephant, a bird, even a fish.
Ask yourself these 4 questions.
Question 1, what animal is it?
Question 2, why does it want to learn English?
Question 3, what's the first English word or phrase it learns?
Question 4, what happens when it speaks for the first time?
Write a story that's 5 to 10 sentences long.
Use at least one of our magic words. Once upon a time, suddenly, then, finally.
And use at least one of our phrases. Don't be afraid. Nice to meet you. I'm learning English.
Share your story with us in the comment section below.
We'll read the best stories in our next episode.
And we might even turn your story into a mini audio drama with sound effects.
Wow, what an episode! Let's do one final quick recap.
You learned the 4 magic words. Once upon a time, suddenly, then, finally.
You listened to a complete story about Tino the dinosaur.
You practiced 3 essential phrases. Don't be afraid. Nice to meet you. I'm learning English.
And you learned 5 powerful vocabulary words: ancient, discover, brave, practice, connection.
If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with one person who's learning English.
And leave us a review. It really helps other learners find our podcast.
Don't forget to download our free Story Builder Guide in the show notes. It has templates and examples to help you write your story.
Next episode, what if you could time travel? We're going to learn past tense verbs through an exciting time travel adventure.
Before we go, remember this important message.
Learning English isn't about being perfect.
It's about being brave.
It's about practicing every day.
And it's about making connections with people.
Here at English Verse, every expert was once a beginner. I'm Kate.
And I'm Duncan.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you next time. Don't be afraid to speak.